Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Josie, and in this video I'll be showing you how to achieve this natural looking sew in with leave out. So actually I've not done this hairstyle in a while, mainly because I have 4C hair and sometimes it's a struggle maintaining and also blending it in. If you have 4C natural hair, I know you can relate, but I really love how this came out. This is the most natural looking sew in I've ever done. It's cute and also it was really super quick and easy. So to start, my hair has already been washed. I did it a day before. I advise you start any hairstyle on a clean hair. This helps in growing healthy hair and also protect both the hair and scalp under that protective style. Now here I'm taking a few hairs in the front from my leave out. I'm taking from ear to ear. I'll also be taking from the side for my side leave out because I'm doing a side part. As you can see, I'm doing a minimal leave out. It's easier to blend in and also it's easier to maintain. Cause I'm learning from the truth. So let me tell you I'm cool. Cause when I'm in my zone, leave me the fuck alone. Let me get mine. It's only God's timing. Look, I say everybody want to be the best. Like everybody running a contest. And it's cool, tell you I'ma get that. But you never go for the fucking headshot. Tell me I'ma get shot, feeling like a depth shot. Tell you say, well, I'd really just for know. Say you want a family, we really sell you out. Only for stop you from your next stop. Yo, Jano, look, 2023, yeah, you teach me. Now I'm done taking both the side and front leave out. The next thing I'm going to do is to braid the rest of the hair into a cornrow. And I'm just doing a basic medium sized or back cornrows. Try to sneak out home to you like a CC, but it's cool. Cause I'm learning from the truth. So let me tell you I'm cool. Cause when I'm in my zone, baby, the fuck alone. Let me get mine. It's only God's timing. Now I'ma tell you I'll be cool. Cause I'm learning from the truth. Okay. Tell my mama that I'll make a way. Know that I won't get defeated. I'm a rise to Now I'm finally done with the cornrows, and that's how it's looking from the front. I made 10 braids in total, and that's the back as well. Now moving on, it's time to sew the tracks in, and you already know the drill. I have my needles pre-threaded. Also, I got the bigger needles this time. So for the hairs from an old wig whose lace was balding, so I decided to take the tracks out, and here we are. Here is a picture of me in the original wig. I believe the initial length was 14 inches. So since this is from an old wig, the bundles are really short, so I'll first make sure they can go around, and also I'm double wefting as usual. Next, I'll sew the ends of the two tracks together first to avoid the slipping and also missing out a track when sewing it in. From here on is to sew the tracks in, and I'm using my braids as the guidelines for the placement of the weaves. I'll start from the bottom braid and then work my way up all the way to the top. Let's go. Let me tell you what's funny. What's funny is the way they say they love me. Look, only for joy like I'm money. Them sellouts at this say that selling only. No, I know that it fucked with my experiences. That is day and age, now give and take, they are for themselves. Look, and you know that's sad, it's sad you fuck. Look, real know that them pussy will never give a fuck. Could I be a friend or your own family? Now it would be me believe to not see that any one of them really could be having you to see. But it's cool, cause I'm learning from the truth. So let me tell you I'm cool, cause when I'm in my zone, leave me the fuck alone. Let me get mine, it's only God's timing. Look, I say everybody want to be the best, everybody running a contest. And it's cool, tell you some get that, but they never go for the fucking headshot. Tell me some get shot, feeling like a depth shot. Tell you say well, I'd really just for know. Say you want a family, we really sell you out, only for stop you from your next stop. Yo, Jano, look, 2023, yeah, you teach me like a mud class. Tell you how you see me. You take away the ones that tell you where deceive me. I left me with the lessons, really that'll keep me. So moving forward, I never could be sleepy. My up that third eye looking like it's 3D. Fuck around and believe me, I see you easy. So try to sneak, I got home to you like a CC. But it's cool, cause I'm learning from the truth. So let me tell you I'm cool, cause when I'm in my zone, baby, the fuck alone. Let me get mine, it's only God's timing. No, I'ma tell you I'll be cool, cause I'm learning from the truth. So let me tell you I'm cool, cause when I'm in my zone, baby, the fuck alone. Let me get mine, it's only God's timing. Listen, I'm on, yeah, look, I know say everything will be okay. Tell my mama that I'll make a way. Look, I know that I won't get
So this is the last piece of hair I'm adding in, and I'll be going all the way around my leave out.
go harder, make myself prouder. Look, cause I've been battling on road, but sit them, I pray my fall, so just watch me claim it all. Cause it's true, now that I'm learning from the truth. So I'ma tell you I'm cool, cause when I'm in my zone, leave the fuck alone. Let me get mine, it's only good timing. But it's cool, yeah, cause I'm learning from the truth.
So this is after sewing all the tracks in, and I really love the outcome already. Now it's time to work on blending my leave out into it. Also, I like the curls as it is. I wouldn't be doing anything to it by straightening or curling it. I'll just move this out of the way so we work on the leave out. So I'm taking down the leave out, after which I'll go ahead and blow dry it up a bit at a low heat. This takes out the kink and also makes it easier to comb through.
Yeah, let's go. Let me tell you what's funny. What's funny is the way they say they love me. Look, only for joy like I'm money. Them sellouts at the set say that selling only. No, I know.
So I'm done with the blow dry. You can see how freely the comb passes through my hair. Yeah, that's exactly what you want to achieve. Having your hair this way makes the next step so easy and also falls in place perfectly.
Inside your fuck, look, real know that. Them pussy will never give a fuck. It could have be a friend or your own family. Now it would be me believe to not see that any one of them really could be having you.
So I wasn't really happy with the length here. It wasn't really working for me. So I decided to cut it up a bit. I'm going to cut only this side so I end up with an asymmetric bob look, which is the style I'm going for.
I'm in my zone, baby, the fuck alone. Let me get mine, it's only God's timing. Look, I say everybody want to be the best.
Now I think this looks way better. What do you think? So next up, I'm going to silk straight my leave out, and I'll be doing so using my pixie straightener and my hot comb. So I really don't know what's happening today, but my camera really decides to blur out during the important parts. I'm really sorry if I don't include them. But basically, this is how I go about it. I take out a small section and I'll advise you go about it in smaller sections. That way the heat gets to the hair and it straightens properly. I'm using a hair wax as the heat protectant. So first I'll apply it to the section I've taken out. After which I'll go in with my hair comb, which is on the highest setting by the way. So I start from the roots and slowly work my way to the top. I go in about twice, making sure every part of that section get the heat.
Cause I'm learning from the truth. So let me tell you I'm cool. Cause when I'm in my zone, baby.
Then finally I go in with a pixie straightener. It's also on the highest setting. I pass it through also twice. So when it comes to straightening my hair, I really prefer this pixie straightener over the bigger ones because this really gets to the root. Now here I wasn't really expecting the leave out to blend in this good as it did on the first try. Look how effortlessly that blends in. I was really impressed and happy with it. So I'll go ahead and repeat for the rest of the hair and I'll be back to show you the end result.
Be okay. Tell my mama that I'll make a way. Know that I won't get defeated. I'm on rise to the fucking occasion. Know that I won't be a slave. Cause I'll go harder. Make myself prouder. Look, cause I've been battling on road. Pussy them I pray my fall. So just watch me claim it all. Cause it's who I am now. Know that I'm learning from the truth. I'm learning from the truth. So I'ma tell you I'm cool. Cause when I'm in my zone, leave the fuck alone. Let me get mine. It's only gonna stop me, but it's cool. It's cool, yeah. Cause I'm learning from the truth. So let me tell you I'm cool. Cause when I'm in my zone, leave the fuck alone. Let me get mine. It's only got time. It's only guts, it's only guts, it's only guts, it's only guts, I mean. It's only guts, I mean. Yeah, let's go. Let me tell you what's funny. What's funny is the way they say they love me. Look.
Now finally I'm done with the leave out and that's how it turned out. I decided to leave it this way, no baby hairs, just natural hairline. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. So that's the final look and I'm really impressed how it turned out. As I said earlier, that's the most natural looking sewing I've ever done. I had this in for 3 weeks and I usually wash and straighten the leave out once a week. Also for my bedtime routine, I first put on a silk scarf before my hair bonnet. So there you have it guys, that'll be all for today's video. If you have any question, be sure to leave it to the comment section and I'll gladly answer them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video.
Try to sneak, I got home to you like a CC.